Global supply of 5-axis CNC precision parts with complex multi-surface geometry. When parts involve multi-face machining, complex freeform surfaces, deep cavities, or fixturing-sensitive features, 5-axis CNC machining is often a better fit for your project. It is not just about looking more advanced. By reducing the number of setups and optimizing toolpaths, 5-axis machining helps control the positional relationship between critical features more effectively. We handle 5-axis complex part orders from automation, semiconductor, aerospace, medical, and other industries, with typical products including complex housings, non-standard brackets, deep cavity structural parts, and multi-surface mounting components with tight assembly requirements. Our engineering team will use your 3D models and 2D drawings to analyze fixturing concepts, datum schemes, and machining sequences, aiming to strike a balance between manufacturability and cost. For critical parts, we pay particular attention to fixturing strategies and the consistency of part location at every operation to minimize accumulated error from multiple setups. At the RFU stage, you can already indicate which dimensions, mating surfaces, and positional relationships are most critical, and we will adjust the process layout and inspection focus accordingly. In terms of quality control, we concentrate inspection on key dimensions, mating features, and assembly datums, and can provide first article approval, dimensional reports, and inspection data as required by your project. For recurring 5-axis parts, our priority is batch-to-batch consistency so that every delivery stays as close as possible to the condition validated at first article approval. We have already supplied 5-axis complex parts for customers in multiple countries, from initial prototype runs through to stable volume production. If you are looking for an external machining partner for critical parts, you can start with 1 or 2 core components and let our real machining performance and delivery record demonstrate our value. Send us your drawings today and let our frontline engineers calculate the process, cost, and lead time for you first. Then compare whether our proposal fits your budget and project requirements before you decide to place an order.